Hi, I'm Sanket Rambia, MD of Xtreme Media, and welcome to our Experience Center. Xtreme Media is a pioneer in LED display with 30% market share. Let me show you our Experience Center. This is a T-arch display of our Asta series, 2.5mm pixel pitch. The unique thing about this is it's installed on a plywood and a completely fanless solution. It needs no structure to install. It's a front access product and very easy to install and repair. This is how you can remove a module, and as you can see, it's mounted on a plywood. It's a completely fanless solution, really good for auditoriums, corporate lobbies, retail and cinema halls. This is our meeting room solution that integrates with Outlook and Office 365. It comes with 10-inch PoE tab. Come, let's see the office. These are some of our meeting rooms, our accounts team, our procurement and production team, happiness champion, our HR team. And these are the gold miners, our sales and marketing team. This is our games room where we have showcased our LED range. Come, let's have a look. Vega series is our indoor range, available in pixel pitch 2mm to 5mm. It's a completely fanless solution, connector based and very thin. Its thickness is only 45mm. Completely cableless, connector based, fanless and can be installed on a plywood without a structure. Its application is in auditorium, corporate lobbies and boardrooms. This is our ACE cabinet. It is available in 0.9mm, 1.2mm and 1.5mm. Again, this is also connector based, fanless solution and it's ideal for boardrooms and venues. Here are some of our modules for Flex series and Lit series. Lit series is based on chip-on-board technology with micro LEDs. These are our outdoor cabinets. Here is the Earth series, which comes with common cathode technology, DIP 3-in-1 and power factor correction technology, because of which there is more than 50% power savings. It can go up to 10,000 nits of brightness. Its ingress protection is IP65 front and back, and this is also fanless solution. This is a Regal Micro cabinet which comes in 2.5mm, 4mm pixel pitch. All these products come with Platina 7-year warranty, which is comprehensive and on-site. Let's have a look at rest of our office now. Xtreme Media is a young team of mini entrepreneurs with a lot of passion and transparent culture. This is the den of tech ninjas and bug squashers that are responsible for developing 10 plus software which are powering 25,000 displays worldwide. This team is led by Mr. Ganesh Wagmure. Here is our Unify 2.0 on wheels for boardrooms. It's 136-inch diagonal with 1.5mm pixel pitch. Unique thing about all our displays is that their health can be monitored from cloud through our software. Moving on to our next demo, let me hand over to Sai from development team, who will showcase our cloud monitoring and smart PDA.
Hi. With LED displays being installed in remote locations, it becomes difficult to track their overall health. Therefore, we have developed our Smart Power Distribution Unit, which helps in monitoring the overall LED health status of remote LED displays. Not only that, it also protects it against overheating, overvoltage and surge currents. and it also can turn displays on or off remotely. Last but not the least is auto dehumidification. That is, LED displays tend to accumulate moisture if they have been off for a certain period of days. Therefore, a short aging process is carried out so that any damage due to moisture can be avoided.
Innovation is our smart boardroom that features Unify. Surjan Satra is our R&D head that is responsible for all innovations at Xtreme Media.
Unify is our integrated boardroom solution which will take the boardroom experience to the next level. Unify is powered by our A series, which is our fine pixel pitch series. This series comes with several interesting features such as power and data redundancy, which is important for critical applications such as ICCC. It also comes with green technology which saves more than 50% of power.
Meet our client genies responsible for client delight. They are 50 plus people team that undertake installation, support and repair. This side is an LED team led by Yogeshwara, and they are software genies led by Rahul Bokse. Here we have Pixel Masters that undertake chip level repair that enable us to give 7-year warranty. He is repairing our 0.9 mm lid series. She is repairing our Vega series. And here we have our outdoor Regal series. We also have 3D Wayfinder applicable in retail and corporates. This is our Iris series transparent displays. They are available both for indoor and outdoor. They can be 70% transparent with 5000 nits of brightness. They come in both indoor and outdoor versions. Aegis is our sanitizer kiosk with 21-inch display and cloud signage. It also has temperature recording and sanitizer dispensing. Let me now introduce you to Big Boss. She's Kinjal Zamvia, my better half, with whom we started Xtreme Media in 2009.
Thanks, Sanket. Looking forward to seeing you guys at our Mumbai HO. See you.